Welcome back to the channel. We're on deck 5, looking out at the ocean. And this does not wrap around the ship, but this gives you a good place to sit. There's a forward entry and a rear entry, and it just gives you a place to walk back, forward, and aft of the ship. But it's not a loop. You can see the life vest. But it's very quiet out here. And if you have a balcony right here, that's deck 6, you are probably gonna get an obstructed balcony on this ship. If you don't want one, make sure you get your balcony at least deck 7. Little promenade. It's Halloween. Well, last night was, and that would be the Irish pub and a lot of the shops, and then we'll go to the 270. Royal Cafe, Sorrento's Pizza, and the shops. But this is not the Irish pub on this ship. And we're going forward. And let's see. Crown. And we're in the music hall now. 3 billiards tables. We're playing and entertainment over there. Guest services, port merchant, and of course Starbucks. The main dining room is in the back. Casino, boleros, and let's go. That's a shore excursion, the Bionic Bar. The Zumi is right over there, and they have a teppanyaki as well. Gets kind of confusing, but as we go to the aft of the ship, there's a layout. From 6 to 10 is all rooms, but you get the idea. Let's go to 270. Oh yeah, look at that. Pretty spectacular. As we're heading back, we have more shops. Giovanni's Italian is right there. We get a view of the main dining room, which is interesting because I don't think this is available. A nice bar here called Sulumi, I guess. I don't know. I don't use it. The artwork. The next cruise is down here as well. Okay, here we go. Next cruise right here. Good guy. The 270 Cafe. Looks like they're open. Well, the room is right here, and of course this is the 270. Beautiful. Very inside. We're on the. Good. Shows and more. Alright, we're riding one of the glass elevators. Let's go to deck 14. There we go. Take a look. Take a look around.
Deck 6.
14, we have local fresh. Not quite lunchtime yet. The windjammer is right back through there. And look. And it's out during sea day. Beautiful day. And there's a teppanyaki, which is hibachi. We have the Seaplex, which is in the rear, just above the windjammer, which gives you all of the fun stuff for kids and adults. We have the Seaplex, which is right now set up for pickleball, but there's an upper level. They have bumper cars, basketball, Playmakers is here, right above. Ping pong, pool, whatever you might want to do. It's all right here. Video games for the kids. Just all around fun activities for everybody. And let's go outside. Alright, on top there we have the flow rider and the iFly. Nice. Okay, this used to be a trampoline bungee bouncy thing with 3D, but they got rid of it for some reason. I think somebody must have gotten hurt. But over here we have the glass floor that goes over. Oh yeah, look at that. Right over the seascape. Okay, we're at the aft of the ship. It's a beautiful day. And let's walk forward. And that's the seaplex. That's the entry to the ripcord. And it's sunrise. Rock climbing wall. Cat. And it's got plenty of lounge chairs on deck. Abundance of lounge chairs on deck. And these rental cabanas right there. Kind of pricey, but you can rent one. Up there. And the pools are closed now because of rough waves. But there's the kiddie pool. There's the main pool. There's the bar over there. Oh yeah. Alright, that's where they have the nightly movies. That pool is open. And then the solarium is in front here. Kind of interesting thing here is that on this map, this is where I am, deck 7, okay? It says that the hallway for the inner rooms, the inside rooms, are to the starboard side. It says it right there. But in reality, it's actually from the port side. And then you access this. There is no hallway here. So that's kind of an interesting incident. So let's go take a look at a couple of the places that I haven't already looked at before. We've done many of the areas, okay? So let's go take a look around. That kind of gives you the idea. We'll go up to the top, and then we'll work our way down again. I've pushed deck 16, which is the fitness center. We'll see if it will stop there. Deck 16. And we can go to the Vitality Spa. Well, the spa's not going to open for another 40 minutes. Or 35 minutes, so let's go take a look at something else, okay? We gotta go down to the solarium. See, the spa is all closed. I woke up too early. Let's go forward to the solarium if it's open. On deck 5, here's the schooner bar. There you go. And then, of course, Chop's Grill. And then the Focus Photo Center with this prepaid display right there. And overlooking the bar. Let's go over here. There's more shops, and of course, I didn't show you well, but here's the Azumi, right across from the Bionic Bar, over there. Let's go this way. We'll walk through the restaurant. There's the center. Okay, so right there. More seating for the Azumi. And of course over here, we come over to Wonderland. Can you see in there? Yeah. That'll give you good. And here's some of the seating for them. There's the entry. Ooh, look at that finger. There it is, that's Wonderland. Shore excursions over there. And that's the bistro. To control it, you've got some tools in here. Nice tools. Hot tubs. And then view out the front of the ship, man. And on the side, when you come down, on either side above the bridge, there's outdoor viewing areas. Look at that. Get up front of the front, right above the bridge. Ship went through the solarium that we just came from, temperature controls, all the balconies, the lifetime, and we are going to go look at that sunrise. Okay, great sunrise. Does it justice.